All right, guys, I got a great setup happening right now. I'm in a Zoom, and we're talking about Valentine's Day. Great people on the Zoom, but I had to cut out. We have ripped higher, and we have had that huge sell-off earlier in the day. That's NASDAQ, that's S&P. I'm gonna get short one. We're gonna get short like a market order. We're gonna get short right there. So I'm risking 200 to make 400, risking 200 to make 400. I'm already up $1,000 today. Yes, this is real trading. There's the time I got in. There's the March NASDAQ. There's the March S&P. I'm at count 82. Got short in the money right now. Up 120. That's a 15-minute chart. I like to pull things back. So you saw the big sell-off right there. That's an S&P chart. It's a 15-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute, 5-minute. Short, short. Still short. And we are up 240 on that trade. There you go, 240. And we're up 2,000 on the day. No, no fear here. Always use loss limits. Always have an idea where to get in, where to get out, even if it's banking on a stop. I said I was risking 200 to make 200. Done. We're going to go at this again. I thought that's a great trade. I'll share some more here shortly.